The introduction of digital forms of money like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others made one thing clear to researchers, as opposed to prevalent thinking. The blockchain is here to remain in a real sense. With this certainty of calculation mastery, the cryptographers and researchers stayed at work longer than required to make an exceptionally special digital money that could hold an incentive at a brilliant future cost, empowering taking credit, making installments, and all in replaceable neighborhood monetary standards. Before we start with itemized Nexo cost expectation, how about we really look at coin outline? What makes Nexo novel? Nexo is a blockchain-based loaning stage that gives digital currency-upheld credits to clients. These advances don't need a FICO rating, and this component generally makes it an alluring choice for clients. With the Nexo stage, clients store upheld crypto resources for procure a moment advance and 45+ government-issued types of money, which is genuinely huge. Check total Nexo audit here. After saving, a credit line opens up and no credit check is essential, or so they thought. Clients can spend from their credit line whenever by the Nexo card or pull out straightforwardly to their financial balance. The whole system of Nexo in a real sense depends on two standards. 1. Versatility of exchanges. 2. Working within in every way that really matters. Smooth reconciliation with different applications in a significant manner. It appears Nexo by and large will absolutely for the most part change the worldwide skyline of installments, and furthermore as in every practical sense, wise speculation choice, as opposed to mainstream thinking. A remarkable component of Nexo has been the carrying out of free virtual cards that likewise permit no restriction changes of monetary forms. These cards can be utilized for limits, and the best advantage clients determine is they can pay in their very neighborhood monetary standards. Nexo, specialized examination. Like other digital currencies, Nexo also is to a great extent reliant upon value development and request and supply, and is profoundly weak despite the fact that it in every practical sense depends on blockchain calculation. Specialists sort of differ as they would see it about the commitments Nexo holds in the years to arrive in a sort of significant manner, in view of verifiable information. Not long after Nexo showed up on trade in 2018, its most memorable large flood came in among April and May. The cost of Nexo rose from 55 cents to 98 cents, an extensive leap that mirrored an immense measure of certainly early financial backer interest, which truly is very critical. Nonetheless, it stamped nearly flattish force till September 2020. Afterward, the cost of Nexo had moved up above 73 cents. However, at that point, it confronted a slight remedy and retested the 50 cents mark. Shockingly, in the coronavirus stage, the verifiable information shows when any remaining monetary forms exhibited a horrendous execution. The Nexo cost has displayed strength, acquiring financial backer certainty, showing an extraordinary flood in force with no Nexo cost drop. Knowledge starting from the start of this current year. The cost of Nexo especially has been persistently rising, and as of late, it has denoted a record-breaking, most certainly high of $4.05. Be that as it may, subsequent to hitting $4.05, Nexo cost dip under $1.50, and presently, it recuperates around the $2 mark with a week-after-week value change of 27%. Nexo value forecast by specialists being recorded on most of trades gives Nexo a manageability advantage that impacts Nexo gauge contrasted with conventional monetary standards. The ongoing cost of Nexo fundamentally weights around $2.29 with a 24H value change of 0.41% and a 24 hours volume of $12,158,815.42 with a market cap of $1,282,880,480.52. There generally is right now a circling supply of 560,011 Nexo tokens on the planet in a significant manner. In view of our expectations from the ongoing cost of Nexo, a drawn-out increment is expected. The Nexo cost guess for 2027 is $9.30. With a 5-year venture, the income is supposed to be around plus 306.33%. According to the Conjecture Information Examination, the cost of Nexo is supposed to cross the degree of $2.30. Before the year's over, Nexo really is supposed to arrive at a greatest degree of $3.20. Financial backers and holders of crypto resources should know the cost of Nexo in 2022. Taking into account our Nexo figure, specialized examination, and market refreshes, many ventures reaching fulfillment by year's end generally around most exorbitant cost expectation of $5 cannot be certainly precluded for Nexo, making it a productive interest in the digital money market contrasted with government-issued types of money, which is very huge. The future cost of Nexo could cross $2.93 in 1 year in a significant manner. Nexo conjecture totally relies upon the value development and opinion. The cost of Nexo could reach $4.77 toward the finish of 2022, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Being founded on specialized investigation, the cost of Nexo holds positive feeling for the impending months. The Nexo value change may essentially reach $5.61 toward the finish of 2022. In spite of the fact that Nexo cost expectations for the time of 2022 to 2026 essentially are unbiased as far as development, the drawn-out viewpoint for Nexo appears to be positive to date. There really is a ton coming up for financial backers as expressed by specialists. Nexo costs may really proceed upwards, crossing $2.75 by 2022 end and soaring all through the remainder of the year, acquiring financial backer help and hopeful figures. Nexo value forecast 2022 incredibly, keeping up pair with a similar bullish pattern. There are expectations that the Nexo cost is ready for a rise even in the year next in spite of prevalent thinking. 2022. The cost of Nexo also will run parallelly on a similar bullish pattern, lines contacting the $2-3 mark in light of cost expectations. Nexo value forecast 2023. Going by the investigation of more limited and longer Nexo cost patterns, it by and large is especially probable that the finish of 2022 or the year 2023 may not be ideal for Nexo for heightening, particularly with rivals finding intensity or markets playing most certainly find the stowaway. There is a determined possibility of the Nexo crash to $3.61 once more. Nexo value expectation 2024, yet again expressing that a stunning chance doesn't exist in light of expectation at the cost of Nexo, and that bulls will ride the crypto market. It is normal that Nexo will govern the crypto realm, taking out BTC predominance with an exhibition of cost fixed at $3.94, which is very huge. Nexo sort of has full certainly potential to support as well as reliably fill even in antagonistic circumstances, mostly in view of serious areas of strength for it. Nexo value expectation 2025 in an unobtrusive manner. The current year's expectations could stamp as the benchmark year, as the cost of Nexo is determined to outperform $4.62 definitely, predominantly in light of the fact that this year no pivotal variables like pandemic or downturn generally are expected to fundamentally shake the underlying foundations of world economies, and it is normal that the majority of the harm done would be on street to fix work in all world economies in a sort of large manner. Nexo value expectation 2026, which all things considered, is genuinely critical, as per our Nexo cost figure in view of specialized examination and past information. This digital currency could leap to about $4.59 by December 2026. Nexo value forecast past 2026. Master financial backers of computerized coins generally plan for the long haul instead of the kind of momentary cost development, with a touch of tolerance and keeping the expectations high in the drawn-out estimate. Financial backers can expect a circle back toward the finish of 2026 as the reception of Nexo would fill dramatically as far as cost and market cap, by when Nexo would not anymore a guileless contestant